A video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser alerts and multiple ads that come from the site Woonews2.xyz. Some people may see these pop-ups encouraging people to click on the Allow button. In this particular case, the pop-up indicates that people need to click on Allow to start downloading some file. But this is a misleading information, and if people agree with this proposal, if they click on Allow, the browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. People may be brought to all kinds of junk websites, and also they may start getting the great portion of multiple ads that will be mainly popping up in the right part of the computer screen. To remove these ads, you should implement some urgent fixes of your browser. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions, click on Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications, and you might find this Woonews2.xyz, so you should click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list. You might find some decent sites here, so no need to touch them, but if you find some other junk sites, of course, don't hesitate to remove them. I would also recommend you to research your system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. Install the application and start investigating your computer to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.